Good, sir.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. This is our functionality test, and our project name is Online Reservation Management System Beauty Salon. And first,
Good day, sir. I'm Leonard Junpil, and this is our beauty salon website login page to allow client login in the website to book appointments and manage reservation and stay updated on the salon's latest offering and smooth running by booking process and make it more efficient and user friendly in customer. User registration functionality. New users should be able to create an account with a successful confirmation message and created successfully. And Bruce Willis will be execute the user login functionality. User should be successfully logged in. User was redirected to the dashboard after entering the valid credentials. If it is passed, functionality works as accepted, listed with a multiple valid and invalid credentials.
example, email address bro@gmail.com and password 123 and click login. Mm, this is the dashboard. Pro-
After login, user registration functionality. New users should be able to create an account user registration functionality. New users should be able to create an creation success account creation successful with confirmation message account created successfully. And navigate the sign up create the account page, fill in the required such as name, email, password, ensuring they meet the validation rules. And submitting first form by clicking the create account button and will be verified and confirmation message appear in including successful account. And next step is attempt to register using already registration email to confirm that an error message is displayed. And Mr. Willis will be executed the registration.
yes, the
The
name, example, Stephen, then uh, Stephen at gmail dot gmail.com, password user 123, confirm password, then submit register, then her
Customer profile or customer dashboard functionalities. The customer's appointment, bookings, reservation history, notification, seating. So it helps customer keep track of their reservation. In
next.
upcoming appointments, list of the customer schedules appointments. So there is a full name, contact number, email address, reservation date, and reservation time, service stylist action. In reservation history, a display log of past reservation. Yes.
Notification.
In notification, show
Notification.
show appointment reminders, promo alerts, or update from the salon. In seating,
Submit.
allow customers to in reservation form. You need to fill out
Fill up
full name, example,
sample.
Contact number, email address, reservation date, reservation time, and select service. Provide some notes and comment, and select stylist specialist.
Tarungan dito.
Hindi lang makablog mo.
Urban.
Display mo. Submit later yan. After.
So here's the upcoming appointments. Okay, for example, 7D0, contact number, email address, the reservation also show up, reservation time, service, stylist, and actions. Also, if the customer want to cancel the appointment, she can. Okay. She can click the, or he
Cancel ba?
can click the cancel. Try daw, bros.
Ah.
Okay. Okay, wala na.
Ang admin.
Next.
Ang admin. Ito, dapat na sabi.
Open the, reservation history.
Nara.
Okay. Here is the reservation history. Reservation for haircut with Jane Doe on 2002, 11, and 10 at 10. Next.
Notification appointment.
Anong oras pa?
Notification. Try log out.
Cut rin natin yan.
Sulti sa nalagot. Ito na eh. Okay, lagot na ako.
Log out. Sa log out.
Nasa pinakalas. Number 14.
And also, if the customer want to log out, this ensure users can safely log out of their accounts. It keeps their information secure after they are done using the system. So try to log out. Okay.
That's all and thank you.